Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, June 25th, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Good morning, everybody. Hope you had a good evening yesterday. Um, Lots of good soccer on yesterday in the World Cup. Anyway, here's yesterday's charts. Boy, had really struggled with that first trade till we got it in the boat. Finally pulled it in for plus 108 on that. Had three trades yesterday for 138. I'd forgotten that I had taken a put trade at the bottom of that sell off and gave back 54 cents. Wish I hadn't gotten into that one. But anyway, ended up with 138 for yesterday. Um, Let's see. Some good sell-off yesterday. The market went down and down after it rose up to where we got out of that trade. Went somewhat sideways and then had a nice sell-off at about near 12:30, and down it went to about 1:30. Some other sell-offs down about 230 on down, and then the market started rising. But look what happened right after the market closed. Big rise up. In fact, we do have a gap play this morning. So Q closed at 711 and it's currently sitting at 726. Wow, that was a huge rise overnight. And so the gap fill and trigger this morning will be 719.95. Write that down, 719.95. And let's move up into real time. That was yesterday. There we go. Let's head over to the option chain. Get rid of that. We've got 1.792 million already traded in pre-market volume, and we're going to need to wait until we get this pre-market volume figured into the strikes pricing before we can pick a strike. So that means I'm going to let in somebody in, and there's Keith's microphone is unmuted, so he's ready to talk. So good morning, Keith.
Good morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, it's a strange day yesterday. I only had two trades, but up $1.87 yesterday. So it's been a great week for trading here. This morning we had tons of announcements. There must have been 15 at least announcements this morning on from continuing jobless claims, which was just about maybe a little bit more than expected, but not by much. Core personal consumption expenditures came out. All those numbers came out pretty much spot on. Durable goods orders came out spot on. Domestic product GDP numbers came out a bit better than expected, so that's the market up further. Initial jobless claims a little less than expected. Um, Non-defense goods orders came out better than expected. Consumer consumption expenditures came out just about as expected. So tons of announcements this morning. Um, the the other one, the personal income numbers came out better than expected. We will not have a 10 o'clock pre-announcement out this morning. Kansas manufacturing activity comes out. It's a minor report, comes out at 11. 4-week bond auction at 11:30. 7-year bond auction at 1. And two Fed members speaking later in the day today. Big thing that moved the market up yesterday was the Micron third quarter earnings come out, or second quarter earnings, excuse me, came out significantly better than expected. So,
Yeah.
anyway, that's about it for me here today, and I will turn it back to Tim.
Okay, very good. Thank you for the report. Yeah. Oh, there we are. We are in. Yeah, Micron quadrupled its earnings from last year. Just huge gain last year. So we're seeing that effect in the tech sector all the way across. So we got price moving down a little bit. Get my 100,000 line in view. There we go. Okay, broader markets. Dow's up 350, Nas up 232, S&P up 57. So very positive markets in the broader indices. Seeing some sell-off right off the top here. Price still coming down. Let's see, I got to recenter my option chain here. So I will be at the 720 on the call side and the probably 729 on the put side. And we'll, of course, keep an eye on the put side here as price drops. Though we typically don't do anything in the first 5 minutes, kind of let that bit of craziness go by. Both our MACDs are very much in the put bias position. 5 minutes just has dove down. 1 minute, not quite the same angle, but still in the put bias position. This is just profit taking from last night's rise. Keith, I think I accidentally muted you.
Fine, be that way.
Sorry about that. Wow, price still coming down. Starting to see the first of a reversal here. Price reversing. Trying to reverse anyway. It's getting stuck a little bit. Already got 3,219,000 traded on the underlying. I'm keeping an eye on the 720 on the call side. but getting beaten down here. Call side having some trouble gaining.
Put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. Price coming right back down again. Like we're going into some early consolidation. All right, going over to the put side to the 727 on the put side. Stand by on the 727. Yeah, it's stalling out.
I think the market maker is just trying to clear the warehouse after the last 3 days of buying.
Yeah.
It keeps trying to turn the other direction. It doesn't want to keep going though.
Yeah. I'm going to move to the 726 on the put side. 726 strike put. I'm going to enter this 726 and I'm in. Come on down. I'm going to go and just take a little profit here. 693, 662 to 693. Definitely could have stayed in this a bit longer.
Boy, I was looking at this, but the gap between the bid and the ask for my strikes are just enormous.
Really? Wow. This is just diving.
Well, well. I was optimistic to get out of my call trades this morning, and it just is going the opposite direction.
Yeah. Are you still in that call?
Yeah, like I got a few contracts left.
Okay. Wow. All right. I'm going to go back to, well, I got to recenter my option chain again. It's just fallen off the page. Be at the 6 or 722 on the put side, 722. This is going to run out of room here at some point.
And it did fill the gap too.
Yeah. Wow.
Hmm. Well, I've tried a few times to get in on that, and just the spread between the bid and the ask is so big, I just can't get it to fill for a reasonable price.
Huh.
It's like a lot of them are it's 50, at least a 50-cent spread between the bid and the ask.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
That's what I thought.
See if we're going to pull out of this sell-off here. Wow. Thing is moving so fast, I can hardly keep up with it.
Yeah, it was falling knives this morning, that's for certain.
Indeed. All right, let's see here. Go to the 720 on the put side. Move down to the 719 on the put side.
It's not taking mine trying to get in. Oh, duh. Operator error.
Oh,
Finally got in.
all right. Looking at the 718 now. I'm going to go ahead and try to get in. And it's passed me by. Get a little reversal going here. Probably won't last like the others haven't. I'm going to go over to the call side. 708 on the call side.
Oh, what's going on here?
I'm going to enter the call side here. And I'm in at 8:52. Come on, turn around.
All right, I just got out of my put for $1.01.
All right. Come on. All right, time to turn around.
Certainly been good volume on every minute this morning.
Indeed.
Yeah, the Dow is still up 230, Nasdaq's down 292, S&P's down 28 and a half, 10 million underlying traded so far. We've got 4.5 minutes to the pop at the top if there's going to be one. Again, no announcements today. Wow, this is crazy.
This is crazy. Come on, turn around.
Just trying to keep up with the charts in the option chain is a challenge this morning.
Yeah, it is. All right. Open up those warehouse doors and start selling. Good golly. Time to turn around.
Just about at the pop. Would you like to see a pop, Tim?
I would like to see it pop up about $3.
Yeah, here's the pop. We're a half hour into the session. We don't have even a real supply or a real demand zone, just pseudos.
Yeah. Keep climbing. Come on, baby. Keep climbing. Keep climbing.
Toward me.
No, weren't me. Must have been Dexter.
Yeah.
Come on, keep climbing.
Finally can put a demand zone in.
Mm-hmm. Keep climbing. Keep climbing. Come on, keep climbing.
What strike are you in on that call?
I'm in at the 708. Keep climbing. Keep climbing. There we go. Up you go. Come on. Keep coming.
I'm looking at 710 to get in on the call side here.
Okay.
Mhm.
Let's get up to.
In at 1547.
Okay. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Not that direction. Come on up. Come on up.
The VWAP there. Now, what are you doing that? Get up there. Ridiculous. Come on, get up there.
Going over to the put side to the 717 on the put side. All right, come back up.
Come on, get up there. I'm gonna have to go get Natty. Come on. Come on, keep it up. Up, 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 up. Yeah, come on. Definitely not our favorite market maker today.
No, definitely not.
Come on, what are you doing?
Lost my mouse. Shit. Lost my mouse. I can't do anything.
Oh boy.
Shit. All right, I'll be right back.
Come on, get on up there. Guess we can put a true supply zone in there too.
Nope.
Come on, get on up there. Come on, push it on up. Come on, market maker. That's it. Get on up there. That's it. Push it on up.
Oh, man.
I know you got other problems, Tim, but I did put actually a true supply zone
Do you
in
need
there.
any help?
Yeah. Can you get out of that trade? Let me see. Where are we? 611? Not yet. Damn. All right. Guys, I'm going to have to restart my computer. Everything's going to go away. You have to come back into the call.
I still am in it, Tim, so it may be able to stay.
Okay.